What's up, everybody? I'm Yael Tygiel with That Hashtag Show, and I've got some exciting Riverdale casting exclusives. As previously confirmed, Season 5 is giving us a time jump, and it looks like Archie is heading to the military. With his new life in the army, Archie is making some new friends along the way. Eric Jackson is a male in his 20s, and the casting is open to any ethnicity. He's a veteran who lost his leg and suffered third-degree burns while fighting in the army with Archie. Ironically, Eric joins Archie to help run the fire department in Riverdale, but Eric is still dealing with his own trauma, leading him to a darker place. Actors who are leg amputees are encouraged to submit for this recurring guest star role. Riverdale is also looking for a bus driver, a male in his 40s. They are open to any ethnicity. He drives the bus Archie takes out to the army, takes his job very seriously, but still pulls over when Archie and his friends want to give a final goodbye. They're also looking for Officer Bradshaw, a male in his 30s, and they're open to any ethnicity. He works the army recruitment table at Riverdale High. He happily gives Archie information about the army, but stresses the seriousness of the commitment. With the 5-year time jump happening next season, we can assume our core characters have grown up and maybe even got married. That's right, looks like Veronica tied the knot and not with Archie. According to this casting breakdown, Riverdale is looking for someone to play Chad Gecko. He's a male in his 20s and he's white. Chad is Veronica's controlling and neurotic husband who works on Wall Street. Though charming, his failed Ponzi scheme and shady dealings with Hiram reveals his moral duplicity. This is a recurring guest star role, but Ronnie's not the only one with a new bae. Jughead is also seeing someone, and her name's not Betty. Jessica is a female in her 20s and they are open to any ethnicity. A train-wrecky hipster, Jessica is Jughead's live-in girlfriend and makes it no secret that she's done with their relationship since she can see that she's not as important to him as the book he's writing. This is another recurring guest star role. Meanwhile, it seems the FBI is still in town because the show is adding a recurring role for Glenn Scott. Could he be a love interest for Charles? The breakdown calls for a 30-something, any ethnicity male. A special agent with the FBI, he is handsome, authoritative, and diplomatic. He's the one to make tough decisions when operations go haywire. Lastly, adding some texture to town is Old Man Dreyfus, a rural hermit. He is a lonely, paranoid old man who lives alone on an isolated farm. Knows quite a bit about the Mothman legend. After agreeing to talk to Jughead, he reminisces darkly about the time all of his friends were abducted by aliens, never to be seen again. He has stayed on his tumble-down farm all of these decades, hoping to be scooped up into the sky and reunited with his long-lost buds. This is a guest starring role. Let us know in the comments who you'd cast, and don't forget to subscribe to That Hashtag Show for more exclusive casting scoop.